Today we're going to do a little bit more ATV repair. We're going to replace the winch cable. First thing that we want to think about is messing with these cables. You really want to wear a pair of nice heavy gloves, so I'm going to go get mine now. So I'm going to switch it over to free wheel here, and first thing we're going to do is going to pull out the old cable. Alright, we're going to have to take off this roller fair lead piece. I've never done this before, but let's see what we can get ourselves into. I believe the cable just sort of folds back on itself and fits through a hole that's in the spool, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Let's see, can I see in there? You're not going to be able to see, but what happens is the cable pushes in through and then it folds back on itself. But we might have to drop it down so I can see what I'm doing, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have that? Allen wrench. These are not your super strong Allen wrenches, you know. Oh, look at that. That one worked. Oh, that's good. There's 3. All we need is number 4, and we're good. And we got it.
Yay!
So that's cool. We'll take this out. That'll expose the spool for the cable. And we can figure out what we gotta do. Yay! Now we can see. The cable has to be pushed back through.
Ooh!
Ooh, that looks bent. That's not good.
It does look bent.
Oh, this winch needs help.
Look how bent it looks.
And loose.
And loose.
We need a new part.
It's a bigger job than we thought.
Let's see what else we got going on. Oh yeah, the back one is completely missing the screw.
Oh, it's not even attached. Totally screw missing, not attached. There's where the screw should be, and this
loose.
one is completely bent.
Alright, so we're not going to be able to just whiz a new cable in here like I expected. This winch is in pretty sad shape, so we're going to fix it. We're going to take it off. We're going to either replace it or rebuild it. There's 2 of those. There's one there and one there. These wires should not be hot because the key is turned off. There it is. I mean, look at that.
Oh my god.
I think it was being used a bit.
Wow.
It's almost bent, and you can see now how the cable is held in. You should be able to sort of pull it back and then out. See how it loops around?
Yeah.
Like
Oh, there it
that,
is.
see? And that's it. I think I should be able to just sort of do that. It's a Warn, which is also a very good brand, though. These are good winches. 2,500 pounds. This totally could get parts and rebuild this. Not a problem.
Is that okay?
Save this. Still rolls. We'll clean that up. So this part comes out easy. So really all we need to do is to get this piece, one of these, and a couple of screws. Alright, so let's see what we can find. If we get these 2 pieces, we should be able to put this together in no time.
Alrighties.
And then it'll be like new. Brand new, this winch costs $219 on eBay. Here's one for $209. So yeah.
That means we're going to rebuild it.
There they are, $17.99, Amazon Prime. It's for the 2500, the 2000, and the 2.5, whatever that is, CI.
It sure beats $200 and something.
I want to take the spot and grease it, I think. We're going to take that lid off. I'm not going to put too much, but I'm just going to smear some grease in here. Okay, so that's gonna go back. All right.
You got colleges on the weekend?
Well, you know.
You did like that 2 finger like you're going through that.
this right.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's alright. This goes in here. A little bit more grease here. There's the new parts from Amazon. Nice. They're perfect. This is why it fell apart in the first place. We're going to put a little Loctite on these, okay?
Okay. Loctite. 242 thread locker.
Put another drop in there.
Come this way.
Another drop in there.
Okay, good.
Alright, so there you go. There's your winch. Let's go see if we can't hook it up quick and get the cable on it and be done.
Okay, so those are the wires now attached, right?
And then this.
And then you're pulling the little rubber over the wire for safety reasons?
Keep it clean.
Keep it clean. Okay, I like that.
That's covered. Here's the safety.
So it worked. What is this? This is the part that the thing rolls
That's the
through,
roller
right?
fair lead, they call that.
Okay. Roller fairly?
Fair lead.
Fair lead. Goes through there, and into
Here.
there.
I should have done that before I connected the winch. Disconnect.
Take it over.
Go a little down further now.
There you go.
Hang on. Alright, now what you want to do is make some kind of small bend, as small as we can. I think it might just do like one of these. Once you pull on it.
It's just not bending.
It's pretty tough.
Turn.
Let's go. Can't pull it any harder. Tappy tap.
There it goes.
Just gotta get this lifted up and down.
I think if I can get a little more of a bend, then we can tap it in, we can beat it with the hammer.
Alright, so you need another tug. Alright, ready?
A little start. Alright.
I'm gonna do it. You pull. What I tell you. Just like bouncing back. All right, so let's just put it on. It's gotta go in like this. And this wire goes up here. It looks good.
We're gonna give this new winch that we recently installed a try. So there's what we're gonna try to pull out of here. We got it hooked up to a chain. And Richie's gonna back up, hook up to it, and try out the winch that we just repaired. Okay, so Richie's in position. Hook her up, baby. There she goes, tighten it up. Ooh, it's flipping it. I'd say that worked. Done, perfect. That was too easy. I feel like we need to try something harder.